time so far because I've met a few new friends and they've been helping me out through the few days that I've been here so far.
It's a really good school. One of the best ones I've ever been to.
I like the pretty pink flowers.
It's pretty impressive to be at such a good school where everybody's showing their values.
I love the sports at Scots.
I really like Scots because everyone is very nice and friendly.
I like about Scots is that there's a dance program and a drama program.
It's been really quite good because everyone's supporting me and looking after me. So I feel more welcome here.
I think it's a really good school because everybody wears good uniforms and yeah.
I can play with lots of friends. Scots has the best big oval.
It's a good school because everybody's nice and you get good friends.
I like Scots because the teachers are nice and there's good sport.
I think Scots School is the biggest and best school.
I like Scots because it's bigger than my other school. Playing in the playground. My favourite part about Scots is probably meeting all my friends. And my favourite place is probably the pool area.
I like Scots because all the people here are nice.
It's a good school with lots of nice people.
I've had a great week because the teachers are awesome.